playing for Kotoko no me anga some be do we share just no krana seriously it also but for me no name mama enka menhye growing up no me na menhye da ne me colleagues na ebo bo say mpenu football krana me ginim so I say part of me a game against Asofo 2 games ni na well my best moment here home match no to me enya last minute goal na to me the maximum 3 points. And second one, away, you create a lot of chances. And me anga sabi ba me say so we match na we play say nya goals be room. Na to me nya the maximum point. And team me feel say that 2 games in the me best in me way. Me worst moment. African India like my prepare.
How well do you want to play in Africa? Because supporters in Accra and say African football. And what sort of impact do you want to make?
Koko TV GH. Ope bi bia wa Asante mu. Say news, say sports, say entertainment. Bi biara. E wa Asante man. Koko TV GH. I'm telling you, ole logo. Jane egbe your Koko TV GH. Banu bagba Koko TV GH. No size. Egbe. Jie.
Now, Apom to say. 12 league goals in the just ended season, or first season of Kotoko. Was that the target for you? Say, Obeba Kotoko Abeshe 12 goals in your maiden season.
Bibi mu yesi em fa accident merade. Even though anya me target say nka me share more than that, but me dasi me dey accident my supporters ne players ne so my boy me to me nya 12 goals. It's accident de merade.
Sana Oka say now target ne more than the numbers here when you not just say you are not too happy with your own goal scoring record this season. Personally, one kasa be outside any penny bedroom, but one kasa as a striker leading the lines for Kotoko when in Jehosa.
Well, ninka say meaning that but when the issue will be na injuries be have injuries in your mother having things echo from your slow mommy but baby CBI so me there said me right.
Not many players never tell me about I so confident I can't okay because the pressure for playing for Kotoko, especially for Ubia Ghana Premier League in half a season penal abono. That is a big ask from your own self. So mentality no and deriving from now say is part of your nature as a footballer won't settle for anything less.
Well, growing up no na me shada ne me colleagues na ebo bo say mpenu football kwa na me ginim so I say part of me and even playing for Kotoko no me anga some be do we share just no krana seriously it also but no ma for me no ma me enka menhye yeah that's me.
But the bigger picture and it's a Kotoko and this season, and me Angie League, Sani Awoka say one kasa when Angie in terms of the number of goals now or share. What would you say about you guys failing to win the league after say Moteki some series of good performances, good results at that and then surprisingly the last few weeks of the league season, everything came to a standstill. Say now we can about and also.
Well, yeah, players me work right yeah, because me planning say this is what we want now, like Uncle Banus and yeah, like and there are some mistakes in the league, some home matches, even some away matches. You take your league there, okay, say to me, no my just a maximum 3 points now into me and also affecting him into me and the league and the fun say like best in the but will be said next season bit me, bit me I find my.
Yeah, sure, league in the team, but before we sign, it was say we need trophy that now. Waji the FA Cup trophy. Yeah, started campaign. You are now share goals na and the crucial goal na they back it over the line. Ako final once kasa na unyai. How pleased are you, say finally when you first trophy or career no? Not just the trophy, but all your parts who play an integral role, say Kotoko FA Cup.
Well, yeah, born and play be a dreams of a G Cup. I'm also the chance of me so. Missy Suna me bono. The way na minya inti. Many JB say finally meet me and Jimmy first trophy na. Me looking for the move for the bit me add more to it. Many JB say meet me and Jimmy first trophy.
Is it most strikers our team because of the nature of striking? Striking, idea it comes with some bit of selfishness. Onya Kwame Poku, he's been here before, and also John midway. At the time, and now we injured, Amoah off for close to 2 to 3 months. How well did you enjoy playing with Kwame Poku? What did you learn from him at the time with him?
Well, me say like me senior player because we ball Kotoko then was a ball different platform so when you boy you have to learn things be how to position yourself and those things. So when you boy we coach you we catch you say when you ball like yembo because when I'm in bottom bibia anko ye anko shegu echire ya make say any answer goes so well me senior me on how to be say somehow so be selfish so bit me actually goes because sometimes you to me say you say creating your man at but on the bet you say at the end of the day na so we should go so
Where your debut season, sir? Yeah, say you best moments of debut season, and some games you find it very tough. The end of the say your best moment. The now feel say one kasa in the game, whether the club drop points and I say you think say we the down to me, say me and never be yanka and then they far win. No?
oh I think make I say a game against Asofo 2 games in well my best moment here your home match no to me in your last minute goal na to me the maximum 3 points and then second one yeah away you create a lot of chances and me angasa me ba me say so we match na we could say nya goals be room na to me nya the maximum point until me feel say that 2 games in the me best in me way me worst moment.
I was to say what be a household name for players maybe I will free buy, of course. Now Sportslight then share who is Albert Amoah, but you say what true Dean here will be who say you are that guy. Now Sadia no back with responsibility because next season 12 now action in a be expecting say next season a call higher. How ready are you preparing yourself mentally for that challenge in a battle?
Abusafo ofura bonsa die wọn no say edu tuo mu agudai pa na megia na no ofuli ofuli so was catch
no say e ba dwom to dia so me so ofura bonsa
yes
na mu me ba ko kwadro dia papa we
Koko president
if I just contact and what
Well, any na hard work we take for example training serious na which me work very hard say certain things some ways na want to me maybe na want to me you work on it and improve on them so that coming next season mistakes be away yeah into me or more goals and then maybe so away yeah into me more goals in the season no. The following season now but the next now wait me then you sign money for no wait me more goals sign so
How well do you want to play in Africa? Because supporters in cry and say African football. And what sort of impact do you want to make? Because and also challenge, you're very difficult because you meet very experienced class teams and then coaches. And also you will need to prove yourself. How well do you want to play there and what sort of impact and our person will make it?
Well, be depending on hard work or training grounds. Nyame nkwa na mebo. Your players in nine African India like my prepare. And nyame nkwa so meet my players no so kan. And mate how Africa and I want to experience it.
Season, a bit up and down, a whole lot. Couple of injuries, but one thing I'm for I found when they say you are not the tallest in the team, but a bus leap, a jump up, oh yeah, there with your head, Is there a background story to how you are able to jump so high, or be connected well to the ball, ascend your post, Typical example where 2 goals against Mediama, and then FA Cup semi-final, so ultimately head there powerfully. Goals in your classic goals. Ability to jump that high, I was background story be tricking anything.
Well, mechanics ni na how one sa when areas are only good oh unim say bia onwa. So onwa no so utumi see how to jump. Now utumi a friend is working very hard on that because and only a weak point because onwa. I would say
How did you go by 7 way when a chair was because the ability to jump and yeah easy say obi wo ha will take inspiration from and answer usua from clips be coaches being and they would go through because personally it's quite surprising.
well, like I say, coaches because I think playing at the second division level, sometimes do your ball, the training we are, then you only coaching back as way na me person me. So I remember my team second division, my boy Apatakofi. Well, I'm missing how to jump and those things. So I know I'm keeping on some work here and.
I mean, the football idol anyway. Player now always no shine so. Who is so bobo when he will take inspirations from
Well, Memphis.
Memphis Depay.
Memphis Depay.
I didn't know Memphis, so I might decide
Well,
to.
me share how no no how even though on yet too fast on go, but me share na horn the seminar how person taking cover on this and no man again and na me there.
So how did you feel meeting him?
Oh, that time I'm injury into me.
So Memphis by now now you were treating yourself. Okay, unlucky. But one attribute of game, your strength. How do you keep yourself in shape to have that energy? I will game all the time because I'm holding out the whole game a bit on the higher side. How do you maintain that levels all the time?
Well, say as a player, say who say I did win me na mama won the India. You don't have to stop it. Until maybe me say maybe semenda emo and I say how I made the do and media menya sa we no there. I come last ko say me the top. So eno bi wa me ya
I had the buy and cow last. There be a bit and cow last. I had the cow last one.
I'm saying that maybe say sa de no
Nay before, but I had the cow last one. There be a bit.
eno bi a obe ya wa hun say sa no we me ya eno na mama won de sem say de ende eno ana me enye bibi chinchire man bia.
But finally, there's been a talk about who is the best player, who is this and that in the league. Personally, me I know my preference, but some questions I best to put it to those who are playing, are moving the qualities of their teammates and opponents. In your own view, league in the end, who would you say Uhun is the best player of the league, and at the end, will arrive at that conclusion.
Well,
Ebi mo ka say Samba Gubani O'Neil the best player on the social media yet. One kasa so Uhun is saying.
well, maybe the as a player, me who say some bit me number one. Me so the players we say in team. Any like players are more than this season. Media, especially in team, like we're very hardworking. If Sauba, maybe from the past, they're normal, yeah. But this season, Oka, one of the best players, Kotoko, to me in team out. So I think some so I have on home in power or leg na album hard work. If you're moving from centre back to say friends and defensive midfielder, our boy any problems if you that shows how quality he is. So for me, yeah.
And when Abaka said technically, are so gifted player or teammate. Who said the way of football no crown one kasa one enable, but you admire the way or control ball in the game.
Well, say ba obia like media, I would say Patrick Asiedu. Because we share ni power ni how techniques or field no so. Well, seriously, very serious because we share as left back and the power how to make train kuni ni your man adena. Well, very media to media techniques there Patrick very good.
I bet whether I say nah, yeah, we show the very best, have the best of holidays. There is the next campaign also. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Abusafo, I don't know. Papa we there, or no fuck I said no interview. Or not to say, or interview I can't run something I go so interview.
Akasamandora.
What the market of course no.
Akasama.
No interview I go I didn't know I would tell you what church.
Charlie. Koko president linked up with Koko president inside Ashtown Kumasi. Charlie, me my baby. My Koko. Yari Koko. Yari your friend Koko. Upe Koko anu draw. Koko president.
Koko president.
Koko president. Koko president. One.
Eko.
Me say me Koko no.
And I open mbampa one. You bet me dia wo so no.
And your friend power.
Because enough work is just na you win.
And your friend power to the people.
Yes.
You see, Koko president Bruno directly straight to Akuma no.
Yes.
You see the Akuma to Tonga.
That's it.
Nanya kore.
Na eye den here. What you mean? And you obey man na dey baby. Ah, what you obey na person ye no ho man e ko no ho a. And you obey mo e Akuma na pompi mo jadi bi si bi
Koko president.
It is say Akuma ni nya hoden a. What you mean?
Akuma ni nya hoden.
Eti obu wa ne be man e kakaka enso ti nya fe.
Menem drafo bebre o mo be man ti se po. Entimi nya hwe. Koko.
Chani wo mu nyina bra.
Me di omo but na me anka sakra me gina ha no Koko prebibi ma me na me wa game.
Memo gina so 2 hours.
You gina straight. Big up yourself, Koko president. We're live inside Ashtown.
Yes.
I've told you. Pals. Pals, if you need any medication for Pals, this is Koko president. aka Pals president.
One.
You cure it one time.
Yeah. Thank you.